Hey everyone, this is the XELTEK Superpro IS01. This in-system programmer. It's got about 10,000 chips that it supports in circuit. This here is a package I received from the Russian Federation today. So from our friend Alex, who makes all these wonderful toys for the XELTEK programmers. So let's open this up and see what it is. I already know what it is, but we're gonna open this one up. Hey, surprised this made it through customs coming from Russia with all the sanctions. I've tried to order from my other Russian sources for other parts, and they just refuse to send them to the United States because they usually get denied at customs and sent back. So, neat little tin. Sandic sugar-free. And electrical tape. So that is it right there. A little tiny chip. So I will make a follow-up video after I place this chip in this programmer. And I will link Alex's Telegram, where you can get a hold of him, in the description of that video. So we will see y'all later. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.